Well, the Marlins didn't get the win, but it was nice to have a hometown hero back in South Florida. I'm sure his family and fans were happy to see him. We would be happy for these temperatures to get a little bit more moderate, Ivan.
Anything at this point here, you know, almost cracking 100 is something else. We almost did that today. 97, hottest temperature. So we've been talking about in 3 years. Record for the day, hottest day of the year. 82 degrees. It's still balmy. Feels like 89. And despite the fact that we had 97 and 93, 94. All of these days, we have strung out 105 to 110 feels like temperatures each afternoon, and that's why we've had these heat advisories. Not so much for the air temperature, which was hot enough. There's next radar network quiet right now. Things have calmed down after what was at least a busy afternoon with showers and thunderstorms. I know we don't like that on a Friday, but boy, it cooled us off a good 15 degrees rapidly, and I think we are on tap for that tomorrow before we start shutting things down as far as the rainfall. You'll see that number coming down as far as the precipitation probability here for Sunday and heading into early next week. So if you have outdoor plans, you're doing something this weekend outside, Saturday after 12 o'clock, we'll start getting into showers and storms. And then on Sunday, that's when we start getting into very low rain chances Sunday and heading into early next week. So a good chance at Sunday afternoon we don't get anything here. There's rain trackers showing you that southwest wind, which is why the storms will eventually pile up along the coast like they did today. So between 2, 4 o'clock there you see them right along 95. And then pushing east. So that looks good for late evening plans if you're going to be heading out. And then for Sunday, just a few pockets here of some showers. I still think there'll be enough moisture to be able to crank a few out, but they're going to start running into some dry air up above, and that is going to put an end, I think, to what has been a relatively busy week and a half really with rainfall. Next 7 days in the tropics. I'm showing you this for two things here. Nothing going on, but then we put the dust that's coming off of Africa, and that's really calling the shots right now. Look at these tropical waves trying to get going and just disintegrating. So that is excellent news. Nothing in the tropics. Problem is we are going to get those plumes. They travel across the entire Atlantic Ocean. The first one here not as concentrated. I don't think we're going to have issues with respiratory ailments, so you're good for Sunday. The sky will start looking a little hazy. This is the pocket we have to watch for next week. That could lower our air quality as we head into the middle part of the week, so we'll watch that closely. Tomorrow for the beach, rip currents low. Whatever you're doing outside looks good early on. No alerts on the Atlantic waters with south to southwest winds around 5 to 10 knots. Same deal for the Florida Keys. So it's looking good. This is the way we're going to plan the weekend. Rain chances again afternoon increasing up to 50-60%. And then look at that for Sunday. Most of the day we spend with full sunshine and high temperatures back in the mid-90s. Oh, and we stay that way Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Summer is here with those feels like temperatures still in the triple digits.
Keep the air conditioner up high.